Chalkboard Chat is celebrating Music Education Appreciation Month this March. Join us for this two-part series as we pay homage to Mississippi country and blues musicians with visits to the Jimmie Rodgers Museum in Meridian.
Well, we're going right into our main room. When you walk in, you see all of Jimmie Rodgers' personal effects. People know Jimmie Rodgers as the father of country music.
And the B.B. King Museum and Delta Interpretive Center in Indianola. We'll then sit down to chat with Marty Gamblin and Kamel King to talk about the Mississippi Country Music Trail.
Somebody told me one time we have an embarrassment of riches when it comes to arts and entertainment in the state of Mississippi, and you can go from here to the coast or to the Delta to the Northern Hills, and there are trail markers everywhere.
And the Mississippi Blues Trail. Check out part 1 of our Mississippi Music Education Appreciation Series, Friday, March 11th. For more information, chalkboardchat.mpbonline.org.